Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ada and we are a Nigerian family living in the United States. If this is your first time coming across my channel, seeing these beautiful faces, please click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. You're highly welcome to my channel and you're welcome to join the family. Please click that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed the video at the end, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and also leave your comments in the comment section down below. So today I bring to you guys another cleaning video. This is the kids edition. Okay, I'm just helping them out a bit, but today I will be showing you guys how my kids clean up their rooms by their room by themselves. I don't know, but I just like doing this with them. I more like teaching them how to clean up, and teaching them how to clean up and keeping their room clean. This, as you can see, this room is so messy, like it's so they mess it up and then they end up cleaning it by themselves, which I like because that is what I teach them. And when you teach them to clean up their rooms, it makes them more conscious of their, like, the way they try to mess everything up. So, and the funny thing about this is that I love that they like enjoy cleaning up their room. They even do it sometimes when I am not there, and they're like, hey mommy, come and see, I cleaned up my room. And they just always do it because they know that it is good for your house to be clean. Like, you need to keep your house clean. So they don't even grumble or anything. They don't even get mad when I ask them to clean up their room. They're always happy to do it, and I like that improvement because some kids, trust me, these kids can be something else. So I just let them clean up their room. I just hope you enjoy watching them clean up their room, and you can also do the same. If you have kids, you can tell them to join you, or tell them to clean up. You try to make it a routine for them, and you will see they will fall in love with it. Kids are like that. Anything you teach them, that is definitely what they will learn. Anything they see you doing, that is definitely what they will do. That is just kids for you. They see me all the time cleaning up and making the house clean, so they are just used to it, and they to them it is the right thing to do. They feel and they know it's the right thing to do, and they don't see me grumbling or being mad about them messing the house and then me cleaning it up. So that the young lady on the shots, that is my first daughter Olivia. The other one is my second daughter Tiffany, and then we have the little man in his crib. Olivia is such an amazing girl. Like, she's the oldest, so she's just such an amazing girl. I love the way she cleans up. She's always asking to help me. She's always, mommy, can I help you do this? Mommy, can I help you do that? She's just such an amazing child. Like, I am just so blessed to have them all. They are just amazing. And guys, if you have any video suggestions that you would like to see on this channel, please don't forget to leave that in the comment section down below. I would really appreciate that, because of course I want to give you guys content that you enjoy watching. So don't forget to give me that in the comment section, please. And of course, leave your comments. Congratulate these kids, they are working so hard. They are working so hard, so please tell them something nice in the comment section, and I will definitely tell them how they will read it with me. Olivia reads, so she will read that with me. And that is Tiffany picking up the dirt while Olivia is arranging their room. Tiffany picks up any dirt or anything they don't find that is not supposed to be there. So guys, if you've gotten to this point and that subscribe button is still red, that means you're not yet subscribed to my channel. Please click that subscribe button and join my family. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you. Click that subscribe button, join the family, and click on the notification bell, so just so you don't miss any other upload from me. You know, whenever I upload a new video, you get to know that I uploaded a new video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. Leave your comment down below. Tell them something nice, how they did, how did they do, guys. I don't know, but they did well. They cleaned up the whole place and picked up all the trash. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Keep watching to see how the room turned out.